It's the end of the world as we know it, and I feel fun. Stocks, cryptocurrencies. Real estate's next, guys. That's the next bubble to pop. Just so you know. Banning scammers and spam bot accounts, banning meme coin creators. It's pretty good. All right, so if you guys don't know this is Billy Marcus's page. He was one of the co-creators of Dogecoin. So today we are going to be covering some Dogecoin. This is going to be a fun one. It's a meme coin. If you don't know what it is, you should by now. But just if you're a beginner, you might just be looking out. Don't buy Dogecoin, by the way. Don't take financial advice from an idiot on YouTube either, or Twitter. But yeah, follow these guys. This is some Doge millionaire. This is the guy that like basically put all of his eggs in one basket, took all of his life savings at the time, maxed out all his credit card just to buy Dogecoin, and made up to about 3 million, I think a little bit more than that, and never sold a Dogecoin. And of course it came crashing down, and he lost all that money. Well, he didn't lose the money because he hasn't sold yet, from what he says. I just ate a salad and I felt like I ate nothing. So again, if you're gonna follow these guys on Twitter, do it for fun. I think they're great. Don't take financial advice from them though, especially. I think his name is actually Pro, so Pro the Doge or Poe or something like that. I can't remember his real name, but yeah, he's built a whole brand around Doge. He has a YouTube page. He gets paid a lot of money now, I believe, just from ad revenues and stuff like that, and then other coins. Sponsor him and all sorts of stuff. So he built like this whole brand around it just because he didn't sell. And it was up to like 60 something, was 68 cents, and now it's down to 5. So don't take financial advice from him, please. But he is a great guy. He seems like he's really honest and everything like that. So yeah, go follow those guys. They're pretty cool. Don't take financial advice from anyone online. Take it from an actual, I don't know, financial advisor if you really want. But today we're going to be talking about Dogecoin, the introduction to Dogecoin, the meme currency. That's a cute puppy. Okay, so Doge is a currency like Bitcoin or Ethereum, although it is a very different animal than either of these popular coins. Dogecoin was originally created, at least in part, as a lighthearted joke for crypto enthusiasts and take its name from a once popular meme. I remember those memes. Now memes are really have gone insane. Well, I mean, they've have over the past few years, but I don't see the Doge meme anymore, or the Shibu Inu. Shibu Inu. Shibu Inu. They're cute dogs, though. What is Dogecoin? Software engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer created Dogecoin in late 2013. Palmer branded the cryptocurrency's logo using a popular meme at the time that featured a deliberately misspelled Doge to describe a Shiba Inu dog. I can never say it. Shiba Inu, right? I wonder how many people like bought these dogs in real life, just like people bought Dalmatians after 101 Dalmatians came out. I bet like the price on the dogs alone probably went higher than, yeah, high. Doge was really started to poke fun at Bitcoin. It is in the early days a community of enthusiasts arranged publicity stunts to raise Dogecoin's profile, gathering funds to send the Jamaican bobsled team to the 2014 Olympics, for instance, or sponsored a NASCAR driver. They should still do stuff. Come on, guys. In early 2021, Dogecoin gained a cult status on Reddit's Wall Street Bets message board, where enthusiasts had promised to propel its value to the moon. That was before all discussions of cryptos were banned on the subreddit. Yeah, because you guys remember that whole GameStop thing? I think the original people that started Wall Street Bets took over their subreddit again, and like they cleaned house, they kicked people out and all this stuff, if I remember correctly. And now it's just not as fun as it was. I think they're even getting like a movie for Netflix or some shit like that. Like it's absolutely insane what was going on, and they now ruined it. Good job, guys. Hopefully those guys never find me online. They'll probably never watch this video because only like 3 people will actually make it this far. But anyways, by May 2021, Doge rose to a high of 68 cents compared to a value of just under 1 penny at the beginning of the year. Tesla's CEO Elon Musk was at least partially responsible for massive growth after calling Doge his favorite cryptocurrency. By mid-2021, Doge was consistently pulling among the top 5 cryptos by total market cap. Since then, the value of Doge has fallen, bottoming out around 11 cents in March of 2022, although it remains among the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Now it's down to about 5 cents, but since we're in the crypto winter, crypto bear market, whatever, we're definitely well below even that, so it's fallen another over 50% from that time. I think it is still in the top 10, 20. It might even just be like 11 or 12. I can't actually remember. I haven't looked at the thing this week. It's been a busy week for me. All right, so let's get into the actual how things happen and all the fame and history behind it is over. So, how does Dogecoin actually work? It runs on its own dedicated blockchain. Dogecoin's digital ledger is constantly being updated with all the new transactions, and the network uses cryptography to keep all transactions secure. Like Bitcoin, it does run on a proof of work consensus mechanism. If you guys remember how miners work and all that, we don't really have to go into detail, but it's here for you if you want to read it. Dogecoin may be used for payment purchases, but it's not as very effective store of value. This is chiefly because there is no lifetime cap on the number of Dogecoins that may be created by mining, meaning the cryptocurrency is highly inflationary by design. And that's the reason why I don't care. I bought it and swing traded it for a little bit back in December 2020, and I think I sold everything completely off by March 2021. So I missed a lot of the fun stuff. I had no idea it was going to do what it did. Nobody did, and it was absolutely insane for a few months. And that's right around that whole GameStop and Bed Bath & Beyond and AMC, all that stuff happening in the early 2021s. Absolutely nuts. Wild. It was the wild, wild west for like stocks, cryptos, everything. So if you guys missed that, it was a great time. Hopefully we get another one of those times again, because that was a lot of fun. But still, invest in actual sound assets, guys. Don't invest in stupid stuff. That was total gamble. All the stuff we did was gambling back then. But it was a lot of fun. All right, so Doge versus Bit. So what's the main differences? So there's a few significant differences compared to Bitcoin. First, it's quicker and easier for miners to complete the mathematical equations that complete and record transactions on the transactions, which I don't know what that means, which makes Dogecoin somewhat more efficient for processing payments. Where it takes about 10 minutes for Bitcoin, it takes only about 1 minute for the Dogecoin blockchain. Another significant difference is the absence of any lifetime cap on the number of Dogecoins that can be created. And again, that's why I don't really care for it, because again, it's a meme coin, but I love the fact that it's a meme coin. It just doesn't store value. There is a lifetime cap of 21 million for Bitcoin, which is approximately limits the maximum possible number of coins that can be created, and miners are forced to work harder and longer over time to earn new Bitcoin, and to a degree it helps guarantee Bitcoin's ability to hold and grow its value over time. Yeah, and versus Doge, which dumps millions and millions and millions of new coins on the market every single year, so it doesn't work. So if you want to buy it, though, you can buy a Dogecoin on any crypto exchange like Binance or Kraken. I think like Coinbase doesn't hold it because it is a meme coin, and they don't really push that. But yeah, most exchanges are going to have it. And then you can always get it from some online brokers like Robinhood or whatever trade station. I've never used it. Robinhood was probably one of the main reasons it became so famous, because again, that's an online casino that you can bet your money on. That's Robinhood is. It's just a casino out there. It's insane. It's online. It will allow you to buy Dogecoin in addition to conventional assets like stocks, mutual funds, and bonds. As with other cryptocurrencies, once you purchase Dogecoin, it's best to move your coins to a crypto wallet. Wallets can take many forms. You have your hot and cold wallets. You can do online services offered by exchanges like Coinbase, which again, I don't think Coinbase even offers Dogecoin. So I think it's funny that Forbes would even mention them, but I could be wrong. Someone Google that, because I'm not going to Google because I don't care. Or you can go to apps on your mobile device or even physical hard drives for your wallets. You can secure your wallet with a private password, and since your coins are being held offline or outside or offline in exchange, there's an additional layer of protection against hacks. So if you're going to be holding large amounts of any type of cryptocurrency, it might behoove you to have a wallet and keep it there so you don't lose your stuff. Especially if, being that it's crypto winter, if these exchanges start failing and stuff, at least you still have your coins if the exchange fails, if that makes sense. If the exchange fails and your coins are on there, guess what? It's not really backed by anything, and you'll just lose all your money anyways. So if you're going to have large amounts of money in crypto, have a wallet. If you're just going to have fun and mess around like I do mostly, most of my stuff is on exchanges because I don't really care, and I like to be able to swap very quickly. But again, don't do what I do. Do whatever a financial advisor tells you to do. Or don't do that either. Do whatever you want, guys. This is your life. Live it. YOLO. Dogecoin broke out into the mainstream and rocketed higher in price, and you used to be able to earn free coins from doing basic tasks online. So this is something I didn't even know. For many years, you could perform tasks on Dogecoins they called them faucets, to earn Dogecoin instead of actually buying it. The tasks include things like watching advertisements or taking surveys, and more recently, it became difficult to find any of these at work. So I didn't know that. That's actually pretty cool, and I wish more coins did that. That'd be a lot of fun. I think I think they do something similar with crypto.com, or it might be Coinbase. Anyways, one of them you get like rewards and diamonds and stuff that you can convert later for having fun on there. Like you just do it's like rewards like in a video game. It's kind of cool. Is Dogecoin a good investment? No, absolutely not. Since there is no lifetime limit on the number of Dogecoins that can exist, and millions of these new Dogecoins are released onto the market every single day, there's very little incentive to hold the cryptocurrency for long term. Bitcoin continues to rise in value because of the system's lifetime cap on the number of coins that can be created. Doge really is less like Bitcoin and more like Dash or Bitcoin Cash, where the express goal is sending currency. Historically, the per coin value of Doge has been very low, around 0.003 per coin for most of 2020, so people were more likely to give them away. Users on social media platforms like Reddit, Twitter, Facebook, and other can use Dogecoin to reward or tip each other for posting content. And you still see this today. People still are tipping other people and giving Dogecoin away, or, spammers and bots are asking people to send them stuff. So you still kind of see it. I think it would be good to use as a currency and very fast with the transaction speeds. However, since there's no limit to how many can be made, it's basically the same as the US dollar. It's not a good investment. Should you buy Dogecoin? Again, absolutely not. It's a horrible investment unless you're just trying to have fun and gamble your money. Then go for it. Why not? Who cares at that point? The constant flow of new coins on the market is putting an unending downward pressure on its actual value. It just hasn't had the same security code level scrutiny that Bitcoin and Ethereum has. Plus, there's just no particularly robust mining community around Doge. So exposure for mining level attacks is well above that of something like Bitcoin. How about you guys do that? Maybe we should just all start mining Dogecoin, just for the hell of it. Buying any sort of cryptocurrency involves risks. That includes Dogecoin. It's always worth buying a few coins to familiarize yourself with the system, but it's probably best refrain from sinking more than a token amount of your hard-earned money in a cryptocurrency that started life as a joke. So again, you heard it even from Forbes, don't buy it because you're an idiot if you do. But if you're going to have fun and just use it as a meme, which that's why it was created, and you're just going to have fun with it, obviously that's when you do it. But again, don't take financial advice, specifically from idiots on YouTube like myself or other social media sites. All right, guys. So if you're going to buy Dogecoin, comment down below. Let me know if you think it's a joke, because it is. Comment down below. Let me see. Let's just start talking about it. It's kind of funny. This is a good one. I still like it because of the memes, and I'm a huge memester in life. I'm a big troll, so I do enjoy that part of Dogecoin. But I currently do not have any because it's a joke, and right now is not the time to invest in jokes. All right, guys. At the end of the day, remember to stay awesome and keep loving each other like I love Shiba Inu dogs. Shiba Inu.